Hello and welcome everyone to the GoLang tutorial series. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. So let's begin with our tutorial. Today we are going to discuss how to publish a Go module. In your command prompt, change to the module root directory as we discussed earlier. For example, this module you are going to publish. So go to your project root directory in this go.mode and the code is already present. Then you can type the command go mode td. Go mode td will remove any dependency the module might have accumulated that are no longer necessary and will pull the dependencies that are required. Third thing, you can test your Go code using Go testing framework via command go test dot. It will test your Go code. Now once you have tested your Go code, now you can move towards versioning. For versioning, you can use git tag command. Tag the project with a new version number using your git tag command. For that, you can commit your code using git commit and then tag your commit as git tag v 0.0.0 or v 0.1.0 depending on the version number as explained earlier. Once you have tagged your version, now you can push your new tag to the repository using git push origin and this new tag that you have created. Once that tag is pushed to your repository, you can move forward with making the module available by running go list command to prompt Go to update its index of module with information about the modules you are publishing. Precede the command with a statement to set Go proxy environment variable to a Go proxy. This will ensure that your request reaches to the proxy. So you can type in the command go proxy equals to proxy.golang.org, which is the GoLang org proxy, and then you can type in the command go list -m, then your module name. This example.com is just for the example purpose, but in your case it would be github.com, your username / module name @version. Developer interested in your module can import a package from it using a go get command. Any developer who want your module packages can run the go get command to fetch the module. Yeah, that's it for the publishing a module. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and put your queries in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G to follow with the latest videos. Thank you.